All right, I just want to go over a couple of things. I think you'll be fine on these for homework. This is on the homework 2. This is the ratio practice, but I just want to look at this. So it says you're driving, so let's take a look at question 7. It says you're driving 400 miles in 6 hours. Okay, so write two equivalent ratios. So if I do 400 miles in 6 hours, well, 2 goes into both of them. So this would be 200 over 3. So here is one ratio, but the directions want 2. So I think it would just be easiest to write 200 ... 3, but you could also write 200 to 3. I don't really care. But these would be my equivalent ratios. That's what it's saying. It's just wanting you to write it in the different forms. And I know we didn't do any examples of that, so I thought before you start this homework, you would watch this video and it will help you. The other thing this is on homework 3, okay? And so I'm going to take a look at number 1 with you. And so again, I just feel like you're going to be fine on this, but which schools have equivalent? So if we think about what equivalent means, that means equal. Which schools have equal ratios of teachers to students? So that means that they want me to take my teachers and divide them by students divided by teachers. Teachers to students. So students and divided by to the teachers. Okay? So I would definitely, I'm picking up my calculator right now. Okay? I would definitely pick up, these are big numbers. I'm not asking you to do this by hand. But if I do 848 divided by 53, I get 16 teachers per student. Okay. Oh, per teacher. 16 students per teacher. Why am I losing my brain today? Okay. And I'm going to show you in a second. It doesn't really matter how you divide. Okay. And so then I'm going to do 630 divided by 35. And my answer right there is 18 per teacher. So each teacher has 18 students at this school. Okay. The next one would be 600 divided by 40. And that is going to be 15 per teacher. And then 828 divided by 46 is 18 per teacher. And I'm using my calculator. 572 divided by 26 is going to be 22. I can't do math. I even had a calculator. 22 per teacher. So these are how many students each teacher has in their class, okay? And so teachers to students. And so it doesn't really matter. Even if you divided the other way, you would get decimals, which is completely and totally fine. It doesn't matter, but I think it's easier if it's wanting 2 students, then you're going to put the students on the top. So the students will go on the top. So on the next one, it says flour to sugar. So, I would put the sugar on the top. I would take the sugar and divide it by the flour, okay? But the question says, which ones are equivalent? Well, Wilson and Northwestern, they both have 18 students per teacher, okay? And it says justify your choice. So this says justify your choice. I believe writing this right here justifies my choice. If I was a teacher, well, I guess I am a teacher, right? But as a teacher, I know that those answers must be right. So that was practice. That was homework practice, ratios practice 2, and then equivalent ratios practice. I was just concerned that you might have trouble on those because we didn't quite do examples like that.